From changing your current lifestyle to improving your quality of life, there are many advantages that come with making a move. The first reason is for lifestyle changes. Moving to a different area may offer more opportunities, easier access to amenities, or better job prospects. It could mean having more space or even cheaper rent in some cases. Moving can also provide new experiences that you wouldn't have access to otherwise, like living near the beach or closer access to the local gym. Another reason why people might consider moving into another home is because of the fact that they grew out of their current place. This could mean needing more bedrooms if family size has increased, wanting a bigger kitchen for entertaining, or needing more closet space for storage. If your current place is no longer meeting your needs, it might be time to look at other options that better fit what you are looking for. For more videos like this, please like this video and follow us here. Thanks for watching.